So on this note, I would welcome Krishna Byre Gowda, the Revenue Minister in the Karnataka government. So let me begin this. Thank you so much, Krishna. Thank you for making time. And let me begin this interview by asking you, as a Revenue Minister, when you took up the department, what did you inherit?
So, first of all, a clarification. In at least the context of Karnataka, the revenue mostly deals with land resources. So, we deal with land resource management, property management, transaction of properties. So, there is a small revenue stream, no doubt, but majority of the financial revenues are with the finance department. I deal with only a part of the revenue, financial revenue, and I also deal with some GST matters as an extra responsibility not related to revenue. But primarily my challenge is land resources are a high potential economic asset. They are a very productive asset, but due to historical lacunae in land management of records, transactions, now this very highly productive asset has become a bit, boxed up, become shackled a bit. So my challenge is to how to ensure that the land resource documents are perfect so that this asset can be unlocked to realize its full potential and it becomes a very robust productive asset which can enhance the overall economic growth in my state. So this is the challenge.
Krishna, I must say that land is not a small issue. A major part of the problem which Manipur is facing is also because of the issue of land, the perception of its use, the colonization, the debate on foreigners being there and who gets to own land, which part of it. I think in future, unlocking of land is going to be very important for spurring economic activity.
Oh yeah. I think we look at land from an agricultural point of view. It may not be high economic value, but it is essential to nation's survival and prosperity because of the food security angle. Number two, agriculture caters to 40-45% of our employment. It may not be highly productive, but in terms of its employment impact on the country, it is the most critical sector. So as a result, management of land resources becomes very critical to a state's economy, to a nation's economy. And there are a lot of historical legacy issues plaguing the land management. And if we can work out a good system of land management, ownership, title, transaction, transfer, and brings surety to it, security to it, then we can further enhance the economic productivity of land. So, and also we can deal with